In this video, I will show you how to use Flight Simulator in Google Earth. First of all, open up any browser. Then search for earth.google.com. Now this type of page will open. At the top of the screen, you can see Explore Earth. Click on it. Now from the search bar, search for the place where you want to fly. Click on it. After that, you can adjust the height where you want to fly. Just zoom in or zoom out. Then, right above this search menu bar, you can see Tools. Click on it. From here, choose Flight Simulator. Now your flight simulator will start. You can use the 4 arrows to control. This flight simulator is still in its development phase, but this is how you can access it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.